If you're like a lot of businesses nowadays, you're really turning to the internet to sell your products through your web store. That's great, but when the order is placed, how are you getting the order off of your website and into your order entry system? Let's show you how SuiteFlow handles this beautifully. All that's required is that you have an email account dedicated to your order entry, and then you set up SuiteFlow to check that email account for inbound orders. Then, lastly, you make sure that the email is formatted properly so that SuiteFlow can read it. Let me show you what I'm speaking of. We're going to come on the home screen to the inbox scene. And here we can see that SuiteFlow has read in 2 emails, and one of them, notice that the subject is SF order from John, new client. And here you'll see that there's an icon with our order icon and a new plus symbol there, letting us know that we can read a new order into the system. Let's look at the email quickly before we perform this. So here's what the email looks like. Notice it's just formatted with the title of a field, a colon, and then the content. And if we look down through here, we can see that there's 3 line items that are on this order, and then we simply see what those 3 are. We have the widget 101, we have the widget 201, and we have the widget 301. So that's all the information here. The system will look at the email address and determine if this person is already in the system. If they're not, it'll go ahead and create the person from the data, and it'll create the order and link the person to that order. If the email address existed in SuiteFlow, then SuiteFlow would simply create an order for the existing person. So watch. All we have to do is click right here. And that quickly, the system created John, new client, as a person. It entered a new order. It added all the line items, and now you're ready to go. Submit the order, do whatever you need to do. Wonderful, wonderful time saver, and it really can be done with hardly any cost to you at all. And that's how we bring orders into SuiteFlow.